Welcome back, guys. In this video, I'm going to solve a mini 3x3 from scrambled to checkerboard state. Let's get started. I'm just going to mess up this cube. Don't want to mess it up too much. Okay, get started. I'm going to grab it in the checkerboard state. It's going to be tough with this mini hard cube to turn. Okay, I'm getting the checkerboard cross. Let me be patient. I cannot be patient. Let me just... Oh, I knew I got the side done. Or we can say cross. There we go. And we have the cross. It might take a little bit of time. So let's go. Might take a little bit of time, like I told you. Okay, we got the first side. Tickle faster, tickle faster. Oh, and then we got the second layer. Look, I know I got nearly the whole cube. Can you see the checkerboard state soon? Oh, so hard to turn because it's mini. Dang it. Yes. I know I got it. I think I got it. Did I? Oh, I have to get all the corners oriented. Now I just have to solve. Oh shoot, I think I messed it up. Nope, I didn't get everything. Shoot, I didn't get everything. Oh yeah, because I forgot this side. Made a huge mistake. I made a huge mistake. Man, wish I could have gone faster for you guys. got it. Let's go. Have to go faster. Let's go. Oh shoot, a piece popped. Got it in. See, I solved it. As in checkerboard state. Oh shoot, I forgot to add this. I solved it as checkerboard state. Okay, let me solve it for real. When I get 50 subscribers, I'm going to make a cool video. So like, watch, and share my channel. Most importantly, subscribe to my channel. Like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Follow it with me.